Decluttering for a clean slate. Clearing clutter is one of the simplest yet most impactful steps when preparing your home for sale. Potential buyers want to envision themselves living in the space, and that's nearly impossible when your personal items dominate the scene. Start with visible areas like countertops, shelves, and tables. Donate or pack away anything that isn't essential to daily life. Decluttering doesn't stop at the obvious. Open every closet and drawer with an objective eye. Overstuffed storage spaces can give buyers the impression that the house lacks adequate storage. Aim for neatly organized spaces with room to spare. This creates a feeling of abundance. Consider renting a storage unit to temporarily house excess belongings while your home is on the market. Minimalism is your best friend. By creating open, airy rooms, you allow buyers to focus on the features of the house rather than your possessions. Imagine how much more appealing a well-lit living room looks when the furniture is strategically placed and the decor is simple yet elegant. This effort pays off in the emotional impact it has on buyers. A decluttered home feels welcoming and move-in ready, two key factors that can influence a buyer's decision to make an offer.